Hello again, Pietro here. So, do you have a problem with your phone where you try to plug it in and it doesn't charge? I just was talking to my friend Keith and he has an issue with his Samsung Note and the wireless charging doesn't work. So what do? There is an option. There's a company called Volta, that's V-O-L-T-A, and they make chargers and charging cables. So let's, take a look here. Can make a small incision. This was a Kickstarter thing. Dispatch note, yep, that's fine. So they gave me the carrying case, which I thought was kind of cool. That was like an extra $1 or so. And then I bought this charging cable and then the adapters. So the case, these three things, that was $30. But this is the Volta Zero, goes up to 240 watts. It's USB-C, so that's nice, right? Looks like we have another small incision. Okay, nice packaging. Ooh, so this is a keychain, USB-C to USB-C. Kind of nice, right? Always keep a cable with you. And then in here, this should be the magnetic adapters, which make Volta really, really cool. So that's it, all right? Where's the... Really, so that's... I may have forgotten to order something because... Okay, so that goes in there. Where's the magnetic part? Okay, so there's supposed to be this little port thing. Okay, so here's their fancy short high wattage cable, but then all right, see, and it says right here what I'm supposed to do. Insert device tip into device. But I mean, it doesn't insert. This is my first time using a Volta product. My first impression is this is a really short cable, but that's its intention. It's nice. This would power my laptop, but I don't understand. Insert, yeah, plug magnetic adapter into cable. How do I get the... Okay, there's like this little hole right there. Okay, let me get a paper clip. Pause. I'll just use a paper clip, right? Or in this case, a safety pin. That didn't do anything. I was thinking it would like eject it. I mean, I can see that it's magnetic right there, but all right, well, insert into device, plug magnetic adapter onto cable. Move cable closer to device to snap on. Snap on to... That goes in that side, but... All right, I'm gonna watch some videos. Cut. Not quite sure what I did wrong with my order. It says world's first 3-in-1 Thunderbolt 5 magnetic adapter, Lightning USB-C and some other one, 240 watt fast charging, 16K display and video, 120 gigabits per second file transfer. So there's the magnetic thing. Insert tip into device. I may have to order another part.